I'm Adam Marburger. I'm with my partner, Max Zanin. We are the Dental Protection Group. We're honored and privileged to be in an industry like the dental industry. What Max and I created a little over a year ago, we brought it to market and the success is absolutely explosive. We created a 5-year limited warranty that covers your patient for the total dollar amount of the procedure for 5 years from the date of the procedure. The way Max and I did this is we wanted a frictionless experience for your patient. This program provides so many benefits to the patient, the practice, and there's a wealth building tool. But quickly, let's talk about the practice benefits. You now have the ability to increase treatment plan acceptance rates. If you offer a guarantee, your customers will pay more. Retention is going to increase because this warranty makes your patient come back to see you. It also eliminates any negative online review or potential peer review case. This also puts you in a position where you get to financially benefit from offering a warranty. All customers know what a warranty is. Everybody likes a guarantee. If you want to stand out from your competition by offering a warranty, you get to do just that. You can tell everybody that your work is so good and you believe in your patients so much that you back up everything you do. It is a why buy for me. It is a true market differentiator. If you want to learn more about our life-changing dental warranty, book a demo with us today at dentalprotectiongroup.com.